Sugar Cookies. I'm Cookie, your lifestyle. And you're watching I Can Do That with Cookie. You'll find recipe and meal prep, exotic, global foods, home staging and styling, weight loss journeys, organization, home improvements and DIYs, and reviews on makeup and everything, and so much more. Stay tuned.
Every single time.
Hi, Sugar Cookies. For those of you who are new around here, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle whisper. Welcome, thank you for your time. I've been in this house for almost 2 years. We purchased this home in the middle of the pizzeria. Projects that we wanted to do around the house had to be slowed down because of that. So now we're tackling it to include my backsplash. I can't wait. I want to show you the tile that I'm going to use as my backsplash. Okay, look at these tiles. Aren't these beautiful? I can't wait. That's gonna go across my backsplash over there.
It's fabulous. Do we see?
It's gonna be pretty. Turquoise is my favorite color, but you have to be very strategic about how you decorate with turquoise in your home so it doesn't look too, thank you for being a friend. Travel back down the road and back again, something golden girlish if you catch my drift. But this one, it's gonna be beautiful. I'm bringing you along because I'm going to be upgrading my kitchen and decluttering and organizing, and what a good way to share this with you, to give you some ideas, to inspire you before you go out and purchase a whole bunch of containers. Take inventory of what you have, purge, declutter, donate, unfortunately throw away some things, categorize, and really think about the form, the space, the function of the spaces that you have. So I don't know why anyone would choose matte paint for their kitchen backsplash and not put anything as a backsplash. But anywho, that shelf that you see right there, I'm saving it to see if maybe I can use it down here. Well, I've got to clean that, to store my pots and pans and see if that'll work. So stay tuned for that. So I am going to declutter all of these cabinets. These are my lower cabinets. That one I'm going to try and use it as an electronic garage. Countertops are not escaping either. They're getting purged and decluttered and corralled. They're getting the same treatment. But I'm going to reveal that at a later date because, like I mentioned before, I hope I mentioned before, this will be like a little mini series. So stay tuned. I'm pointing out that notebook right there because I decided to use that as my organization notepad for the things that I need. It comes real handy. And now, oh, nothing like some good old procrastination. Get to doing it, Cookie. Okay, guys, I'm doing it. All right, sheesh. Question for you. If you are Caribbean, Afro-Caribbean, from the Caribbean, do you have a caldero? Or what do you call it from your Caribbean country? Because every household that comes from the Caribbean that I've seen has one of those, or 3 or 10. Let me know. Yeah, you've seen it here first. All of that came out of one cabinet. Ooh, don't worry. You'll see what I come up with. Go get your coffee and come on back. Look at my fancy Panini Press. Do you know what this is? This is a brick that I paid, I think 80 something cents at Home Depot, and I covered it in aluminum foil several times. And this is my fancy Panini Press because I am not paying $100 something for something that is just as heavy. I can reuse this, and when the paper gets grimy, then I just replace it.
Not a bad idea.
Okay, those are empty. That's everything that came out of the cabinets. I still have this cabinet to do right here, but I don't have enough counter space. But don't worry, she's gonna get done because I am on a roll here and I wanna see what I can come up with. I hope that thing fits in there. Here's the reveal after. I'm so proud. I have my assistant, Mr. Vanner White. Do we see? Do we see the lights? Huh? The best part of this project is that this was absolutely 100% no spending on it. I used what I had on hand. I'm gonna bring you in a little bit closer, okay? All right, here we go. And you can see I have 2 crates that I use for storage, and they hold my calderos nice and neat. I have my paella pans that I can slide out. I have a fire extinguisher there. Yes, a motion light sensor. Can you stand it? And I had that on hand. All of this organization is what I had on hand, and I'm so proud because I didn't have to spend any money on buying containers and organization systems. So you can do this too. Absolutely fabulous. Now I'm gonna take you to the next one. And this is an extension of my pantry. Do we see the inside? This is an awkward spot to film. But as you can see up there, I have my colanders. I have some more cutting boards, and I love this right here. I have my condiments right here because it makes sense. Right above my stove, I have extra rice down there. And that right here is my fancy garbage vegetable or compost bowl, whatever you want to call it.
Rachel Ray was not the first one that came out with that. I've been using that system for, I ain't gonna say how long because I'll be dating myself.
But anywho, use what you have on hand, it's practical. And then we have the appliance garage. I'm so proud of it. Yay! Looky, huh? Not bad. Go ahead, Vanna, pull it out.
Oh no, malfunction.
Look at that, huh? I absolutely love that. Easy to pull out. Some things might still get edited and added in, but this is my electronic garage underneath my cabinets, and I'm so proud of that. No spending for organization or anything like that. I just used what I had on hand. Shopped my house and used that. So I hope that this gives you some inspiration, some ideas, and stay tuned for more. Not bad, huh? What do you think? Comment below and let me know. What are some of the things that you're tackling around your home that you want to share with me or post it on my Instagram, CookieMix67. You can also follow me on TikTok, which is CookieMix76. If you like what you saw and found some value in it, and maybe a couple of laughs and some inspiración, then subscribe. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Share the video. Why? Because sharing helps my channel to grow. It gets me out there. The algorithm says, oh, hello, she there. Post your notification, you know, the ding, 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 dong bell, and select all so you don't miss any of my videos. As I say around here, smile. Your soul will thank you for it. You don't feel like smiling? That's okay. I got you, babe. I got you. Una minute. Be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next. Because the next one is going to be a good one too. You won't want to miss it.
See you later, baby.
Hi, sugar cookies. Welcome. I got this. Serious.
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.